Hey, I wanted to show you this cute quilt kit that we just got in from Riley Blake. It's from the line, The Tale of Peter Rabbit, and it is such a cute box. Look
adorable.
at just the box on the outside is absolutely cute. It comes with a silk ribbon that's tied when you first get it in, and it's got like a little lifting magnetic closure to it. So this box would be perfect to use for something after you make the quilt in the baby room. The thing I like the best, they've got a little saying at the top of the box, so you could even do like put the books in here. But inside here, they've got the keepsake book. The Tale of Peter Rabbit.
How fun.
Isn't that so cute? And it's done in the traditional colors of the Peter Rabbit storybook. So here, you want to hold up the pattern, Paula? Look at this. So it's got books all around the outside of the pattern with the panel in the center of the quilt. So it comes with this center panel that you get to start with, which is so great, and who doesn't want to instill the love of reading in their grandchildren and children so that they love to quilt. So it starts with a panel, so that's the center of the quilt. So that makes it so much easier to make this particular quilt. And it's the size where it would look great as a wall hanging. It's 67 by
60.
Is by 60. So
and even if you can't fit your quilt in here as a gift, whatever, what a great, I mean, a little girl or a little kid's going to have this as a keepsake box and with the book, the whole thing. What a great idea.
So it gives you all the strips of fabrics that you're going to need from the line to use in the books that are around the corner. So these are all pieced books around the corner, and it's got strips of all the fabrics that you need to make those books out of. And they're relatively easy. It's a square with a just like a little piece for binding on it. So it's a square with a little piece that looks like the end of the book, I should say, like binding. Like the end of the book.
Right, the edge of the book
binding.
Right,
the edge of the book
binding, yeah.
And so then you make the little books and you square up the panel and you add them around the outside. It's got a cream fabric for the background of those books that's included in the kit. And then it has, for the border, this cute little fabric that talks about different sayings from the book. It's got Peter Rabbit was very naughty. Yeah. He ran right away to Mr. McGregor's garden. Once upon a time, there was a tiny rabbit, and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, and Peter. So it has lots of great quotes from the book in this fabric and little vignettes of the rabbits hopping around and doing the story. And then the binding is this beautiful pinkish coral fabric. So it's not really pink, it's more of a coral fabric. And it's actually kind of a washed fabric, so it doesn't really read that dark. But you could always change that if you wanted to do a blue binding or another binding on it if you didn't want to do it in the coral.
And the inside of the box is lined with this paper, so it's got little, like, what are those?
Yeah, floating
turnips, I guess,
floating vegetables on it. And that's
really cute.
That's one of the fabrics in the line.
This would be such a great box for a little kid to put all their, their life's treasures.
Or their life's treasures. That's exactly right. So anyway, we hope you like this unboxing of the quilt kit. It's a lot of fun, and I know that it would make great memories for everyone. Happy sewing!